Permafrost is a frozen giant, and its thaw is a climate disaster waiting to happen. Packed with carbon, it's melting fast, threatening billions, and the data screams for action now. Permafrost is soil, rock, or sediment frozen below 0 degrees Celsius for years, covering 24% of the northern hemisphere. Think Siberia, Alaska, Canada. It holds 1,400 to 1,700 billion tons of carbon, twice the atmosphere's load. Boreholes and satellites track its state, showing 15% thawed since the 1980s, per IPCC 2021. Why is it melting? Carbon dioxide at 420 parts per million has warmed the planet 1.1 degrees Celsius since 1900, per NASA. The Arctic heating 3 times faster melts permafrost, releasing carbon dioxide and methane, 25 times worse than carbon dioxide, per Science 2018. 50 to 100 billion tons could escape by 2100, adding 0.1 to 0.5 degrees Celsius, per PNAS 2022. This is catastrophic. Thaw fuels warming, intensifying storms, up 20 to 40%, and heat waves, killing thousands, per NOAA. It could drive 4 to 6 degrees Celsius warming by 2100, starving crops by 30 to 50%, and displacing 1 to 3 billion, per IPCC and IEP. Infrastructure, roads, pipelines, crumbles, costing $10 to $20 billion in Alaska alone, per USGS. Ancient microbes may spark pandemics, per NASA. Economic losses could hit $500 trillion, per IPCC. Human emissions, 2.4 trillion tons of carbon dioxide since 1850, drive this, with isotopes proving our guilt, per Global Carbon Project. Without 50% emissions cuts by 2030, using renewables at 30% of 2023 electricity, per IRENA, thaw accelerates. Satellites, ice cores, and models show permafrost's collapse. It's a carbon bomb, not a myth. Act now, or its release buries us.